Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make super moist and delicious fudge brownies, and it's so easy to make. First, we wanna mix together 1 cup of chocolate chips. Then we wanna add in half a cup or 1 stick of butter. Now we wanna pop this into the microwave for about 30 to 60 seconds until everything fully melts. It looks ready. It's definitely not ready. Oh my God. We gotta pop it back in. So I said, what did I say? I said 30 seconds to 60 seconds. All right, you can do 1.5 minutes.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Now it looks ready. Now we wanna mix everything together until it's well incorporated. I'm using dark chocolate because it's not too sweet, but if you want it sweeter, you could actually use milk chocolate. I could take a shower in this. All right, now into a separate bowl, we're gonna be adding 1 cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. This is what makes your brownies flaky. Now, we wanna be adding 3 whole eggs into our mix. Not like that. Oh, nice. So you just drop it in, cleanly cracks. But let me give you guys a little life hack here. Don't break your eggs on the side of the bowl because the shells could go in. Do it on a flat surface. Check this out. Breaks. Thumb in, boom, no shell. Call me later. Class is in session, are we listening? Now we're gonna mix everything together until well incorporated. Do not skip this process, because if you skip this process, you're not gonna have a process. I'm losing my mind. Mix, 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 mix. All right, you want your consistency to actually look like this. Nice, smooth. Look at that, beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, now we're gonna need about half a cup of all-purpose flour. Alexa, how many grams in half a cup of flour?
Half cup of flour weighs about 62 grams.
Okay, well, I have a scale here. If you don't have a scale, use a half cup measure. It's 62 grams, look at that, perfect. Now we're just gonna go ahead and add this puppy in. Now, we're gonna be adding a 1/4 cup of cacao powder. I'm in love with the cacao. Okay, last but not least, listen to me, listen carefully. We're gonna be adding a pinch of salt. This is what brings out the flavor, so don't skip this part. Then we're just gonna go ahead and mix everything together until well incorporated. Okay, last step. Remember the chocolate and butter we mixed together? We're gonna be pouring that into the batter and mix everything together. Now we want to take a 7-inch baking pan and line it with parchment paper. This is an important step because it will help you release the cake when it's done baking. Now we're just gonna pour in our brownie batter into the pan. Now we just want to spread this out until it's completely even. Is this a good tap? Sorry to the editor, I know it's loud. Now we want to pop this into a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes.
Later.
Brownies are almost ready, but before we take it out of the oven, if you're enjoying this video, please make sure to hit that like button. Guess what time it is? Brownies are ready. Woo-wee! That looks amazing. We're gonna let this fully cool down before we get to the next step. We're actually gonna be leveling up our brownies and making them into ganache brownies. So now we're gonna make the ganache. To make the ganache, we're gonna need equal parts chocolate and heavy cream. Place the heavy cream into a saucepan, and we wanna bring this to a slight boil. Then pour it on top of your chocolate, let it sit for about 1 minute, and then just give that a good mix. And that's how you make simple and delicious ganache. Now all that's left to do is to pour our ganache on top of our brownie. Now we're just gonna pop this into the fridge and let the ganache fully cool down.
A few moments later.
The ganache is set and we're officially ready to unmold this and cut into it. You can grab the side of the parchment paper and pull your brownie out, but I have a removable bottom, so check this out.
Nice.
Makes everything so much easier. Now I'm just gonna remove the parchment paper, very slowly. We're gonna top it off with some flaky salt. This is just gonna take it to another level. My absolute favorite part, the taste test. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude. Oh, wow, I gotta take a seat for this one. That is absolutely ridiculous. This is probably the best thing I've ever tried. I'll see you guys in the next one.